Hello, we are at 878 14th Street and this is apartment 104. Coming in the front door of the studio, you enter right into the main room. Hardwood floors in this room and a little tile inset there by the kitchenette. Got windows here that are facing east, looking out onto the neighboring building. Electric wall-mounted heater there on the wall. And this main room is 11.5 by 13 in terms of dimension, okay? Here in the kitchenette we have an exhaust fan, row of cabinets here above, black granite countertop, a mini fridge, and a small electric stove with an oven. Very tiny little freezer, okay? And then a cabinet here underneath the kitchen sink. Okay, coming into the bathroom area, same beige tile floor. Here's the bathroom vanity area. Hi everybody. Okay, got some cabinets here. Nice big closet off to the side, couple of shelves. It's got the breaker box for the unit. And then over here is the rest of the bathroom. That tile floor runs all the way through. Have a shower. Okay, and we've got a couple more shelves in here. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please feel free to reach out. Happy to schedule an appointment with you. This building does have shared laundry. They do have an optional motorcycle or scooter space, and there's a beautiful pool and garden patio out back. Okay, thanks so much for watching. 878 14th Street, 104.